Whenever your turn signal flashes very fast, that means that one of the bulbs is out. I'm gonna fix this for you, Aaron. Remember, guys, whenever the turn signal flashes rapidly, it means one of the bulbs is out. All right, so we first have to remove these clips here, which are two parts. One on top like this, you stick the screwdriver in there carefully and pull the top part off, and then pull the bottom part out. Then you can lift this lid, right? Pull that all the way back. Then you turn this socket here in the back. Once you turn it, pull out the light bulb. Okay, so we pulled out the light bulb. This is right here, which is the bad light bulb. Put that there. Now we're going to replace it with a new light bulb. Then we should be good to go. Okay. Here we got the new light bulb. We're just going to put that in there. Once you put the new light bulb in there, then you go ahead and check it. Make sure before you close everything up. I'm gonna come inside here. Turn it on. You notice now the light's not flashing quickly anymore. The turn signal is no longer flashing quickly. That means it should be working over here, right? It's working. I have to cover everything up. Now we go ahead and put this back in the hole here. I'm going to put that in the hole like that. And then twist it. Nice and secure, back in place. Everything back here. Now we close that up. Like that. Now we're going to put these in place.